Hey there, beautiful people. My name is Suzanne from Glam with Suzanne and BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. And today I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about the benefits of BoxyCharm. And for those that don't know, a BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box where you can get different goodies based on your beauty quiz to your door. They're going to be amazing products for makeup, skincare, tools, just everything that you will need in the world of beauty and lifestyle items. And you get 5 full-size items in your base box, but they also offer 2 other types of subscriptions. One of them is the premium model, which you get 6 products for $35, and you also have the Boxy Luxe model where you get 8 products and it retails for $49.99, and the value in these boxes are absolutely amazing. And years ago when I initially decided to subscribe, I fell in love with the box because I was working as a freelance makeup artist, and honestly makeup and skincare could be really expensive, and this was a really budget-friendly way to be able to try out different products that I may not have been able to afford at the time. No matter what your budget is, this is definitely a budget-friendly way to be able to experiment with makeup on a monthly basis. So the very first benefit is that you get to customize one item from your base box, which is the $25 subscription. You also get a chance to customize one item out of your premium box, which is the $35 subscription. And you have the opportunity to customize at least 2 products from your Boxy Luxe. So I love the opportunity to be able to customize, because that way you have a little bit of control over the products that you are getting that month, and you only know what's best for you based on what you're lacking or what the gap is in your current collection. And they do have a lot of different varieties available that are up for the customization options between makeup, skincare, different types of categories as well. So definitely some exciting variations in the customization opportunity, and that to me is such a plus and such an important part of BoxyCharm. The next cool thing about BoxyCharm is the add-ons. So for those that don't know, add-ons are the opportunity to shop some items that you did not receive in your BoxyCharm box. Like I mentioned, each box is customized, so there are so many different variations available. If you don't receive something that you were really hoping for, then you have the opportunity to log in as a charmer and purchase those items at a huge discount, which is so amazing because you know and I know how expensive it is to run out to your latest beauty store and pick up that item separately, and this way you can do it at a huge discount. And keep in mind, babes, add-ons are only available to active charmers, so it's such a really nice benefit to have. The next really cool thing with BoxyCharm is charms. So active charmers have the opportunity to earn charms. What that means is basically every time you receive your BoxyCharm box, all you have to do is review your product, just basically letting BoxyCharm know what your thoughts were on that product. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? It takes literally seconds to do that. It's a rating system. So once you go ahead and enter that, you earn charms in return for providing that information. And all you have to do is accumulate those charms, and you can use them towards products from the charm store. And keep in mind, babes, the items in the charm store are absolutely amazing. They are makeup products, skincare products, tools, just everything under the sun that you could think of from absolutely amazing beauty brands out there. It's a great way that BoxyCharm gives back to all of us, the charmers, and being able to get free makeup essentially using your charms. And for every 100 charms that you accumulate, that's $1 that you can use towards your charm room purchase. Now, just when you think those are enough benefits, there's actually an additional benefit to being a charmer, and it's called a Boxy Pop Up. So for those that don't know, BoxyCharm does have an online store where you can go ahead, log in as an active charmer 4 times a year, so it's done quarterly, where you can buy beauty products, skincare products, lifestyle products at a huge mega discount, anywhere up to 80% off each product, which is absolutely amazing. And this is only for active charmers, and it's a great way to kind of stash up on things that you may need, gifts for people that you may know, especially during holiday season. This is like the perfect way to shop, at least in my opinion. So it's definitely an awesome feature for active subscribers. And the other thing that I want to mention is that BoxyCharm does hold monthly giveaways to all of its active subscribers. And these giveaways, guys, the prize packages that you could possibly win are absolutely insane. It's with brands that they've collaborated with before, and it's products that you will not have received in your BoxyCharm box before necessarily. So it's a really cool way to possibly win some really awesome products as well. And I can sit here and rant all day about all the reasons why I absolutely love BoxyCharm, but to be honest, it's just the most affordable way to add to your makeup collection, especially if you are a makeup junkie or a makeup guru or someone who is an aspiring makeup artist who's trying to build your kit. This is by far one of the most affordable ways to do that, and also keeping in trend with all the different makeup that's out there. This definitely exposes you to really cool makeup brands that you may know, but also indie brands that you might not know. So that's pretty exciting as well. And if you guys are interested in checking me out, follow me at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram. Most people people do know me from my Instagram page because I am honestly by far one of the most diehard BoxyCharm fans. I have been for a very, very long time when I initially started subscribing years ago, and I like to track all the different spoilers that are going out there, just sort of all the BoxyCharm updates. So be sure to follow me on my Instagram page, BoxyCharm Sneak Peek. And I also do tutorials because I do freelance and makeup as well at Glam with Suzanne to check out even more beauty tutorials from me. And I hope that you guys learned something interesting in today's video that you may not have known about BoxyCharm before. And I would love to hear what your favorite product from your BoxyCharm box is in the comment section below. Thank you so much to BoxyCharm for partnering up with me on this video. I had so much fun being able to explain all the reasons why I am obsessed with you guys. Take care, babes. Bye-bye.